Welcome back to this week's Toolbox Talk. Today we're talking about something we hope we never have to use, but we must always be ready for. Emergency preparedness. On a job site. Emergencies don't send warnings. It could be a serious injury, a medical event, a fire, or even equipment failure. When something goes wrong, confusion wastes time, and in emergencies, time matters. Preparation is what turns panic into action. First, know the emergency plan. Every job site should have one. Do you know where the assembly point is? Do you know who the designated first aid responder is? Do you know how to contact emergency services from this location? If you don't, today is the day to ask. Second, know your surroundings. Where are the fire extinguishers? Where are the first aid kits? Where is the closest hospital or urgent care? Preparation isn't complicated. Third, communication is critical. If someone gets hurt, who calls 911? Who meets emergency responders? Who clears equipment and traffic paths? During an emergency, everyone doesn't need to do everything, but everyone needs to know their role. And finally, don't ignore the small warning signs: a frayed cord, a leaking fuel line, unstable trench edges, overheated equipment. Small issues become big emergencies when they're ignored. Preparation isn't about expecting the worst. It's about respecting the risk. The strongest crews aren't the ones who react the fastest. They're the ones who prepared before anything ever happened. Because no job, no deadline, no production goal is more important than making sure everyone goes home safe. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you guys next time.